think there will be a continued growth in automation, but I think what we'll see is beyond where we are today. We're going to see areas like collaborative robots start to make progress into trim and chassis areas, the areas where traditionally in factories there are a lot of people. And automation in one way is very flexible, but automation sometimes when it's in a serial production process is disruptive and is quite difficult and expensive to change. Collaborative automation will give us an opportunity to change that, I think. I think most industries need to, first of all, define what their strategy is. What do they want to do in the space, in this cyber-physical space? I think the second thing and the most important thing, having defined the hard points of the process, is to start to work on the cultural issues that's going to surround adoption of a completely new management environment. Well, I think Ford will achieve it first for obvious reasons. But I think we're probably, if you listen to what everybody's saying these days, we're probably 4 or 5 years away from starting to see any sort of volume of autonomous vehicles on our roads. And I think a lot of things have still got to be resolved before that happens. But I think we're many years away before autonomous vehicles will be the majority of vehicles that we see on the road. Yeah, what I really wanted delegates to take away was there's a battle that's going on to be competitive. There is still more capacity than there is customers. So we need to win, and the US needs to win in that space. So looking at Industry 4.0, looking at the cyber-physical environment as a way to significantly reduce cost, gain greater insight, improve quality, improve safety. That's the opportunity that's there for all companies that embark on this process. And I'd like to see the US lead and not lag in that position. I think it's been excellent. I think the summit's brought together a lot of people very interested in obviously where the automotive industry is going. It's brought together a lot of people who are interested in understanding what is everybody else doing, what technology is available. And most people I've talked to are interested in what is it that I can take away, that I can use and help me to make my business more efficient and more cost competitive.